dust and grime. Oh. Just to give you a quick view of how gross this thing is, I can literally scrape the grime. Oh. Ah. So satisfying. So today we are going to be taking this nasty looking diff and we're going to be making it look like this. Alright, so the few items that I do need to do this is going to be this $5 bucket, and then we got some black diamond slag that we're going to be using for the sandblasting, and then we got a sandblasting kit just off of Amazon, and then put a lid over the bucket and cut a hole in it so that I don't get yelled at for the sand getting wet. So for the pressure washing part of this, you're going to need a decently sized pressure washer. This is a 3500 PSI with 3.5 gallons per minute. So first I'm going to get off all the dirt and grime so I don't waste sand when trying to do that. And Sage, you're not going to help me. Alright, so I've got most of the grease and grime off. There's still a little bit like right here. But now I'm going to go ahead and start sandblasting it. However, I do want to make sure I stay away from these areas right here because I don't want to pit those. And I have to wash my hair tonight. I officially have sandblasted the entire diff and it is ready to be painted.